Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
And the harbor's very large. Helly, could you find the caterpillars using your scope?
You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance. Guido!
For everyone else anymore. It makes me feel like I'm not even part of the group. Come on.
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Vito.
Sure made Dinoco proud.
Thank you, King. Now, Tex, you've been good to me all these...
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, Faith. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go! ¿Te gustan?
Look at here, boys. Got us a couple of
okay, buddy. Hey, look, I'm Top Planet. Zip your nuts.
It's going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Pal, you had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
All day long.
River, Fat Blue, even Junior.
Asphalt in the middle of the night. Asked me if he could come down here. All he's trying to do is make that.
Act 7 line. We got everything changed when Rookie showed up.
He's knowing so. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama. Just like
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like. My mama is right here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama!
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl.
Oh, my.
¡Aquí, recto! ¡Ya es suficiente!
It's an actual
pizza.